SBL is proud in developing and implementing the e-Vidhan at the Himachal Pradesh Legislative Assembly. The Himachal Pradesh Assembly is India's first high-tech assembly house to implement such an innovative solution. The e-Vidhan project was developed as a joint venture between the Himachal Pradesh State Legislative Assembly, National Informatics Center Services Incorporated (NICSI) and the Government of Himachal Pradesh, which was sanctioned by Department of Electronics and Information Technology of India. NICSI selected SBL as associate partner for the development and implementation of the entire system. Based on the track record in implementing similar projects in government and public sectors, including the successful development and implementation of digital archival management solutions and digitization of entire proceedings for Kerala Legislative Assembly. With a reputation for intelligent, efficient and highly organized project management skills, SBL's technology division has developed and implemented the entire e-Vidhan system with the guidelines of NICSI and is proud to be part of the first ever high-tech legislative house in India. E-Vidhan system fully automates the day-to-day functioning of the entire legislative assembly, including the assembly session proceedings, question proceeding session, introduction of bills, communications between different government departments, voting on motions, publishing of budget, gaining control over budget and scrutiny over government finances by Legislative Assembly, obtaining press and media information system, generating of identity cards, passes, publishing bulletins, working with HR accounts for MIS, members, employees, procurement of stock inventory and the dispatch of diary and library information management system. e-Vidhan system use digital signature certificates DSC for user authentication. Only digitally signed documents converted into PDF A standards would be allowed to be uploaded on the online system. This will ensure error-free, paperless communications within the Legislative Assembly. e-Vidhan constituency management system includes submitting priority list of works under MLA fund, monitoring various works running in the constituency, readdressing of public grievances, demands, management of employees' requests, transfers, etc., party information system, and preparing tours, appointments, meetings, online submission of questions and property returns by MLAs, online annual, supplementary budget books, etc. The e-Vidhan system increases the people participation in the legislation process through secure web interface. Citizens and employees will be able to submit their grievances, demands and requests to MLAs online. Online submission of suggestions on bills and for entry passes during sessions will also be managed. Implementation of e-Vidhan makes the Legislative House paperless and contributes to the green environment by saving trees. It is worth noting that significant administrative costs for running the house have been saved by implementing the e-Vidhan system. The Himachal Pradesh Governor Srimati Urmila Singh, the Chief Minister Sri Veerabhadra Singh, Speaker Sri Brij Bihari Lal Butel and the MLAs from all parties applauded the efforts by SBL for this initiative and adoption of the new paperless technology.